This 2024 Airstream International 25FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Airstream of Central PA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features a Aqua Interior with coastal Cove Wood interior, Sleep 6, LP Detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, external shower, skylight, spare tire kit, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, awning, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Airstream International 25FB is 6,207 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.